don't already treat conversion from other bases to base 10. We don't treat them before. Today, we won't consider conversion from base 10 to other bases. And now this one be the example what we won't treat today. Where they say convert 1 that is 11 in denary to a number in binary. From denary to binary. Now this thing make us treat key terms in number basis. So for those of us that are just seeing me for the first time, scroll through the page, you will see one topic where they call key terms in binary, in number basis. Go through them so that you go feel master wetin we dey talk about here. So now, solution. This 11 in binary means 11 in base 10. To a number in binary means to a number in base 2. Now wetin e mean? And anytime you dey carry out this conversion from base 10 to any number, the method wey dem dey use, dem dey call am repeated division method. Na im dem dey call am repeated division method. See am, you go just draw line like this. The convertent, wetin you wan convert, na im go dey here, that 11. Where you dey carry am go na base 2, na im go dey front. E remainder go dey whenever you are doing division, na im make we put R. So how we wan take go about this now? This is how we go about it. How many 2 do we have in 11? How many times can 2 go into 11? We go check am. If 2 come into 11, e go come into 11 5 times. That is to say, there are multiples of 2 in 11 up to 5 times. Now wetin we dey try talk be that. So that 5 here, now you go write here 5. How you wan take know the remainder? You just say 2 times 5, 10. The difference between the 10 and 11 na 1. Na im be say na 1 be the remainder. I might take it again. How many times do we have 2 in 11? Or how many times can 2 divide 11? It is 5 times. But it no ends there. If it goes into 11, so it go into it but up to 5 times. 1 will remain. I make go write down the 1. You go still bring down 2. Now make they say repeated division method. This process you go continue doing it until one of these values at this side go become 0. Now there you go stop. How many 2 do we have in 5? Now only 2 we get in 5. That is to say 2 divide 5 is 2 times. How do we know the remainder? I know say the remainder na 1, but I wan assume as you carry these 2 times these 2 go give you 4. The difference between this 4 and 5 now still 1. So the remainder na 1. You go still bring down these 2 again down. Now at this point, how many 2 do we have in 2? 2 in 2 na just 1. And we know say nothing remain when 2 go into 2. But how we tell you know? This 2 times this one give you 2. The difference between 2 and 2 is 0, meaning nothing remains. It remains 0. You still bring down these 2. How many 2 do we have in 1? 0 of it. There are no 2 in 1. Because there is no 2 inside 1, now 0 you go write. Anytime when you write 0, not waste your time. Anything where they on top that 0, 9 be the remainder. And now 1 they on top 0. It means 1 is the remainder. But how I will take note? The way we did one before, we go say 2 times this one. The 2 times 0 is 0. The difference between 0 and 1 is 1. Now I think no say now 1 be the remainder. So like I told us earlier, anytime where value here, one of the values there becomes 0, now there you go stop. You have nothing to do again. So your answer, you go just pick them from down to the top. And the first digit here is 1. The next is 0. The next is 1. And the last one is 1. In binary means in base 2. So this is the answer to this question. I go want to make una try this one as exercise. Try this. Convert 1 base 10 to base 2. Try this as exercise. Then you go drop your answer at the comment section. Convert 1 base 10 to base 2. Thank you very much.